This GMC Sierra 1500 boasts a gas V8 5.4 L/engine powering this automatic transmission. X31 off-road package includes off-road suspension, JHD, hill descent control, NZZ, skid plates, K47, high-capacity air filter and X31 hard badge includes, QAE, P275/60R20 SL All-Terrain, blackwall tires, G80, locking differential and NQH, 2-speed transfer case. Includes, N10, dual exhaust, transmission, 8-speed automatic, electronically controlled with overdrive and tow/haul mode. Includes cruise grade braking and powertrain grade braking, STD. Trailer and package includes trailer hitch, 7-pin and 4-pin connectors and CTT, hitch guidance. This GMC Sierra 1500 comes equipped with these options. Preferred package includes, UG1, universal home remote, A48, rear sliding power window, KI4, 120-volt power outlet, KC9, 120-volt box-mounted power outlet, iOS, 8 diagonal premium GMC infotainment system, U2K, Sirius XM, UVB, HD rear vision camera, MCR, USB ports, instrument panel with bench seat, and U2L, HD radio includes, UQA, Bose premium audio system, elevation convenience package with bucket seats includes, A50, bucket seats, DO7, center console, CJ2, dual climate control, A2X, 10-way power driver seat including power lumbar, KA1, heated driver and passenger seats, KI3, heated steering wheel, N37, manual tilt/telescoping steering column and B1J, rear wheelhouse liners. Crew cab models include, R70, cloth rear seat storage package, Sirius XM. Enjoy 3-month XM Select Plus trial subscription with over 120 channels including commercial-free music, plus sports, news and entertainment. Free listening on the app and online is included, so you'll hear the best Sirius XM has to offer, anywhere life takes you. Welcome to the world of Sirius XM. Rear axle, 3.23 ratio, quicksilver metallic, jet black, cloth seat trim, HD rear vision camera, GVWR, 7,100 pounds, 3,221 kg, engine, 5.3 liters EcoTech 3 V8, 355 horsepower, 265 kilowatts, at 5,600 revolutions per minute, 383 pounds-to-foot of torque, 518 Nm, at 4,100 revolutions per minute. Featuring all-new dynamic fuel management that enables the engine to operate in 17 different patterns between 2 and 8 cylinders, depending on demand. To optimize power delivery and efficiency, Elevation Preferred Equipment Group includes standard equipment. Stop by today. Coming for a quick visit at Laird Wheaton, 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia V9T3L3 to claim your GMC Sierra 1500.